Hi friends, here we are going to learn some of the string operations. They are like case conversion. I mean lower to upper, upper to lower, any string into title format or making capitalize, something like that. Okay, let me open my Sublime Text Editor. So guys, here I'm going to use, you can use anything, okay, but I'm using Sublime Text Editor here. Let me first give a name for that by pressing simply Ctrl S. So desktop, then under our directory let me create a case conversion operations on strings .py. That's it, right? See guys, I'm going to define a string called my string. You can take anything. Okay, I'm going to write something like Python scripting. Okay, now let me print first our string directly, whatever you have. See the output? Yes, you are getting. Now guys, I want to convert my entire string into lowercase. Nothing is there, simply dot lower operation on your string, dot lower operation. Or I want to convert my entire string into uppercase letters. See the output? Or after performing these two operations, I want to print my string as well. See the output? So here you have to understand one thing, whatever the operations you are performing on your string with a dot, right? They don't modify your original string. That's why because of third print statement, you are getting your original string Python scripting with P and S only capital. Even though in second line you are performing your string dot lower and third line, right, you are performing upper, they don't modify your original string. That's why strings are called immutable. Once if you define your string, you cannot change the part of your string. Already we know that. Already we have seen that, right? Fine. Suppose if you want to capture after performing the lowercase letter or after performing your entire string into upper, you can store this operation result into some variable. Let's say my string in lowercase, only lower. Any variable you can take, but I'm taking this one. That's it. Right now, instead of printing my string dot lowercase, already we are done on your variable. We perform lower operation and we store the result into this variable. Now print this variable and see the output. Let me comment these two lines and observe your output. Yeah, already we have written, right? See the output. That's it, right? So guys, as of now we have seen lower and upper operations on your given string. But how you know how many operations are there on a given string, right? See, let me simply open my command line and let me enter into my Python shell. Simply define any variable called any string and simply run print dir of your x variable. So dir is the helping word for us to list out all the operations which are available on your given string, because here x is a string, because you can randomly assign some string to some variable x or any variable, and on that variable if you perform simply dir of x, it will give the available operations on your given string. There are so many, right? So I will go with step by step. So now we have seen this is upper operation and somewhere you have lower operation. Here you have lower operation. Now you have something called swap case, title, capitalize. Let me go with the swap case, right? See, swap case is nothing but directly I'm going to print your result, your string dot simply swap case. See how, observe the last output, what you are getting, lowercase into upper, uppercase into lower. That's it. But once again remember that whatever you are performing dot operation, that is not going to disturb your original string. Only while printing it is modifying. So if you want to capture swap case result, you can store this result into some variable like your second line, right? So this is swap case. Now guys, I want to print my string in terms of title format. So title is nothing but printing each and every letter of a word starting letter of each and every word in terms of capital. So already we have here capitalize. Let me this is small letters. Python scripting tutorials. Now if I run the script and see the output for last print statement, you are getting P capital, S capital, T capital, because you are converting your given string into title format. Title format is nothing but each and every each and every word the starting letter should be capital. That's what we are doing with the help of title, right? Then capitalize. Let me take one more string called my new string. You can take anything. I am taking simply small letters Python scripting. So guys, I want to make my string in terms of capitalized format, right? See, capitalized format is nothing but, observe the output, you can understand. Only the starting letter in a given string, you are making it as a capital. That's it. That is the format of capitalize, right? Capitalize. Fine. So guys, these are the some of the operations on your given strings to convert one case to other case, or swap case, or title, or capitalize, right? So guys, instead of your lower, you can also perform one more operation called, I will do one thing only for lower or upper. You don't know whether given string is there in lower case or upper case, but the thing is, you want to convert your entire string like swap case. Let me do one thing, case fold, print your new string dot case fold, and observe the output what you are getting. My new string, yeah, I commented that, right? Let me enable this my new string, where it is. Yeah, instead of my new string, I will take one my string variable. Anything you can apply on any string, right? Observe the output, right? So you are converting your entire string, even though, let me take here capital S, something called G, any modification. See the output what you are getting, right? You are getting all in terms of lower case. Fine. So instead of lower operation, you can also perform case fold, right? Fine. So guys, these are the some of the operations to convert your strings from one case to other case, right? Okay. Okay guys, thank you for watching this video.